Cleaning the throttle body might seem like one of those simple tasks anyone can do, but the reality is that doing it wrong can create problems that didn't exist before, from unstable idle to electronic issues that end up costing more than the dirt you were trying to remove. To understand why, you first need to know what you're dealing with. The throttle body is the component that regulates the amount of air entering the engine, and in modern vehicles, it's no longer a simple mechanical system. It's a highly precise electronic component, working alongside sensors and, in many cases, an internal electric motor that controls the throttle plate. Over time, it's normal for carbon, oil, and residue from the crankcase ventilation system to build up. This buildup collects around the throttle plate and can disrupt airflow, causing symptoms like unstable idle, poor throttle response, or even unexpected stalling. Up to this point, it sounds logical. It's dirty, so you clean it. But this is where mistakes begin. The first, and one of the most common, is forcing the throttle plate by hand on electronic throttle bodies. This can damage the internal motor or throw off its calibration, leading to error codes, relearning procedures, or even the need to replace the part entirely. In many cases, the throttle plate should only be opened electronically by the vehicle system, not manually. Another serious mistake is using the wrong cleaning products. Not all cleaners are suitable. You should always use a specific throttle body or intake system cleaner. For proper cleaning, the first step is to locate the throttle body. It's usually found between the air filter duct and the intake manifold, where the intake hose from the air filter connects. Once located, it's best to remove the intake duct so you can directly see the throttle plate. When you look inside, it's very common to find dark deposits around the edges of the plate. This layer is made up of carbon and oil vapors coming from the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system, and it's exactly what can cause the symptoms we mentioned earlier. To clean it properly, you should use a specific throttle body or intake system cleaner. These products are designed to dissolve carbon deposits without damaging sensors, seals, or electronic components. The basic procedure is to apply the cleaner onto a clean cloth or microfiber towel, and then gently wipe the internal surface and the edges of the throttle plate, where dirt usually builds up. It's important not to scrape or use metal tools, because you could damage the surface or the sealing edge of the throttle plate. In vehicles with electronic throttle control, it's also not recommended to force the plate open by hand, since the internal electric motor can be damaged if incorrect pressure is applied. In some cases, it's better to open it gently using the accelerator pedal while another person cleans the surface. Once the visible deposits are removed, reinstall the intake duct and start the engine. It's normal for the engine to have slight RPM fluctuations during the first few seconds, as the ECU readjusts airflow and recalibrates idle. In many cases, a proper throttle body cleaning can immediately restore idle stability, improve throttle response, and eliminate several of the symptoms discussed in this video.